Hello fams, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Yes. So guys, today's video is actually my hair day. Like I want to make my hair. I'm doing knotless braid. The lady that is making the hair, she's inside the room. She's dragging the attachment, and it's really late. Only God knows when we're going to be rounding it. But however it is, the fact that I'm making my hair is okay. Yeah. So this is it. I've washed my hair. I washed it not quite long. It's still wet. Yeah, this is what my hair looks like. The other hairstyle that I made before actually finished my hair and my edges. My front hair is still are no more. But
Guy, yeah, now only me while see as we dey like beans and rice. I will never leave your side. I will never ever go. I dedicate my time to you, my guy. Even if the road is rough, I don't mind, cause you be my G for life, my G for life. Said I'm feeling good tonight, cause I dey here with my guys, oh. I get plenty for my mind, but right now I'm with my guys. I know the fear them got my back, fear them got my back. Sure you don't see my formation, Agbalagbi combination, steady inspiration, 100 concentration. When my guys them wallow, bad energy far away. Thank God for my real G's, who finds to be money. Who is your guy? Now only me while see as we dey like this and I will never leave your side. I will never ever go. I dedicate my time to you, my guy. Even if the road is rough, I don't mind, cause you be my G for life. My G for life. Your guy, yeah, now only me while see as we dey like beans and rice. I will never leave your side. I will never ever go. I dedicate my time to you, my guy. Even if the road is rough, I don't mind, cause you be my G for life, my G for life. Said I'm feeling good tonight, cause I dey here with my guys, oh. I get plenty for my mind, but right now I'm with my guys. I know the fear them got my back, fear them got my back. Sure you don't see my formation, Agbalagbi combination, steady inspiration, 100 concentration. When my guys them wallow, bad energy far away. Thank God for my real G's, who finds to be money. Who is your guy? Now only me while see as we dey like this and I will never leave your side. I will never ever go. I dedicate my time to you, my guy. Even if the road is rough, I don't mind, cause you be my G for life. My G for life. Gee.
hey guys, so this is the outcome of our hair. We are done. So she actually packed it, and yeah, this is it. It's packed. I don't know how to show you guys, but let me try and show you guys the back. But yeah, hope you guys get to see that. Hope you guys get to see that. So that's what the bags look like. And if you see the bag, the size of the bag. So, but yeah, this is it. I will not say I like it. I will not say I don't like it. I feel like I'm in between because it's different from the photo I showed her. But it's fine. So we ended up mixing these attachments because this one wasn't enough. This is the exact color I actually requested for. I mean the wine color, but she said she couldn't get the wine color. That was why we used this. I don't know, I feel like it's because of this color I'm not even feeding the hair, because this is what I lost of recent. So if you watch my previous sit down videos, you actually see this color of hair there. So I actually didn't want something like this anymore, but it's all fine. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, this is my first time using her, and okay, it's good guys. I'm so tired. See you guys in another video. For now, bye bye. Love you guys.
One eternity later.
Hey Blessed Farms, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Good morning and happy Sunday. Yes, I'm so happy. I don't know. Oh, I'm happy because I'm actually going to church. This is the first Sundays, like since I've been in Dubai, Malaysia. Since I've been in Dubai, this is actually the first time I'm attending Sunday service in this country, and I'm so glad I'm doing that, because going to church on Fridays, like we now set Friday to be Sunday, is not really I don't know, but for me it's actually not, it hasn't been working for me really, because I do go to work, do you get? So every Fridays I can't be taking off every Friday or taking excuses of coming late to work every Fridays because I'm going to church. And the country where I am is not even a country where it is a Sunday, like it's a Christian thing. I don't know how to explain that. And yeah, since last year, like 2022, the whole of 2022, I can count how many times I went to church. That's unfair, right? But yeah, don't mind what's going on at the back. So that's my handbag is there, my shoe is here. So I'm wearing all black with my blue shoe and my blue handbag. You guys, don't worry, you should take a photo. Yeah, I'm looking all beautiful.
First time attending Sunday service in Dubai.
At this point, you guys, I'm getting tired. Like, I've been so ginger to go to church. The person that is coming to pick me is just from 8:30 now. It's almost 9:38. It's still not here. I'm so tired already. Like. back from church. Now so my jeans, my pants stayed here. We changed mind. We later went with jeans, you guys. My pants just here, like my pants. Look at this is why I later now because hey, that can spoil my day. I'm home now. Yes, you guys. I feel my pants just tear. But looking up beautiful. Hey fam, so how you guys doing? Yeah, so I'm going to get agege bread. Agege bread. That's where I'm going to. So it's like 10 minutes walk away from my house. Yeah. How many of you love agege bread? I don't like this their bread that they are selling. I don't like it, and I'm not a sliced bread person per se. Yes, so that's why I'm actually going to get this agege bread, because I'm not a sliced bread person, and it's sliced bread they have the grocery in my building, and also brown bread. I don't like that brown bread, I beg. So I'm going to African shop, just like 5 or 10 minutes away. I don't know, but I'm almost there.
One eternity later.
I'm going to my mistake. How are you guys doing? My name is Blessing, and if today's the first time of coming across this channel, please do not forget to click on that red icon. Is it red or black? Whichever icon, just click on it that says subscribe and be part of this growing family. And for my returnees, you guys, you already know you guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for coming back. I'm going to do Dera Dubai. I'm going to Dera Dubai because that's where I got my phone, and my phone is giving me, I would say problem anyways, but I don't know. I mean, I still problem. So the thing just strip off and it hasn't been coming up. So I'm going to where I got the phone so they can, you know, rectify what the issue is. If it's to change, they change and give me another one. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm still in my building, at my building, just waiting for taxi. I don't know, it comes like a taxi day scarce this evening. Guys, I'm going to Dera Dubai. If you live in Dubai, UAE, you already know where Dera is. So I'm going to Dera Dubai at Bania Square. I'll be go to one of the two, I can't remember, but that's the area I'm going to, Dera. So my phone, the phone I got for my birthday, my iPhone 12 Pro Max, so it's having issue. I can't even explain what the issue is. Yes, bridge, I don't know. So the issue the phone is having is that this today, right, I went to pharmacy to get drugs. If you see my face, you could, you know, test that I'm not really that strong. So I went to pharmacy to get drugs, and the phone was okay, right? It was at about 25% or so it was okay. I even, you know, vlogged a little bit of it. I vlogged the guy that looked at me, so I vlogged a little bit of it, like where I was going to buy drugs and all of that, and it was still at that 25%, because this iPhone, I've noticed something. If it's 1%, even if I sleep for 8 hours, I will meet that phone for that 1%. Do you understand? So
I didn't get why he went off.
So guys, finally we got to the place and they were not around. You all know this is Ramadan period, so they went to mosque for prayers, and the shop was still open, but they said they were going to come back at about 8 p.m. That was what they wrote in the front of their shop, and we got there at about 6. There was no way we could have waited. It was cold, and you know I'm sick as well. So we went back home. The next day we went there. These people refused to take the phone because it was already 2 days after the warranty they gave us, so they said they were not going to take it, fix it, and all of that. So we just took it to another place to fix, and my phone is in good condition. It was just battery that shifted. I don't know how that happened. So you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Have a nice day. So let me just leave you guys to enjoy UAE view. All right. Bye.
Who is your guy? Yeah, now only me while see as we dey like beans and rice. I will never leave your side. I will never ever go. I dedicate my time to you, my guy. Even if the road is rough, I don't mind, cause you be my G for life, my G for life. Said I'm feeling good tonight, cause I dey here with my guys, oh.